Welcome back to another episode of Land Rover Augusta, part 5 of the Land Rover Discovery 2 roof repair. And we're just going to get right into it. This is an episode that I went ahead and added trim to the top of the roof. White trim, not black trim. So check it out. Okay, Land Rover fans, I'm finishing off the roof trim today. This is what I got here. China number 1. Just some basic roof trim. I'll leave that in the description below. It's just a U shape. And let's get started. Okay, so I don't have a rubber mallet. And so I'm just going to use this piece of wood. And then I'll just palm it. So that's what I do. Up there. Yeah. Great. Let's see how this works. That worked quite well. So I did run into a little issue, but it's because there's some extra material like sitting in this gap here. I have to get some of that out, and then it'll sit flush. Same with the back here. I've got some extra material in here in the groove, so I gotta see. There's you can see some material there that's preventing this to seat properly, so I'm gonna go ahead and just cut a groove in there. It's not gonna hurt anything, and it should seat properly. Just gonna use a little hacksaw. All right, guys, I went ahead and I cut out some of this material here on the edge here. That way this sits flush, and yeah, that's what I had to do. So it worked out well. I'm gonna probably put some silicone or some adhesive and call it a day. So here we have it. I think it looks good. I think it definitely going with white instead of black. And I definitely have to remove some material up in here, but I'll work on that. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but let's see. But I'm definitely gonna apply some glue just on the ends so it doesn't like catch the wind. So overall, that's what it looks like. Final product. Got a little shine on there. Got some universal trim, and the trim worked out well. I was kind of skeptical at first, but yeah. Well, that concludes another Land Rover Discovery video. This is part 5 of the roof repair. As you saw, I went ahead and just added some vinyl trim. I was not going to go ahead and add the OEM Land Rover trim back. That stuff is just garbage. It cracks, it's brittle, it gets old, it fades. I don't like it. It looks like hell. Anyway, the vinyl I got was $16 on Amazon. I went ahead and put a description link below. You could also check out the Majic paint, Implement Paint. I put a description link below. Go ahead and check that out over there on Amazon. And so, as you saw, I went ahead and fixed that up. There were some issues when I put the vinyl on. There was the ends of the gutters had some extra Bondo in there for some reason. So instead of there being a way for water to get out of there, the Bondo was gooped up on the ends. So I had the trim would not fit properly. So I had to go ahead and take a little saw and carve out some of that trim. It was just easy. I just took a hacksaw and kind of like by hand, I just kind of trimmed it out. It was really easy to cut out. It was very soft. Been there a while, I'm sure. And you know, it looks great for what it is. $16 trim on Amazon. It looks great. I mean, I've been trying to find some alternative ways to keep the cost of having this vehicle down. And that pretty much wraps up the roof. I probably will end up gluing on the ends so they just doesn't, you know, when you go through car washes, it just doesn't peel back the cut ends. But I'm probably going to use some Gorilla Glue or whatever I can find. Probably like maybe emblem glue works really well. So I'm going to go ahead and get some of that. I think I might have some. And I'm just going to secure just the ends because the rest of the stuff is not going anywhere. And that pretty much concludes the roof series. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to have some more videos coming up. So make sure you look out for some videos coming up for some maintenance on the, I need front engine cover. I need, well, the front engine cover is good. I just need to replace the seal, the main shaft seal. What else? I've already done the water pump on that. So I have some injector issues going on. Basically, I think I have a leaky injector because my vehicle does start up, but when it gets warm, it has a hard time turning over. I usually have to turn it over once or twice, sometimes 3 times. But it also could be a heated injector coil or wore out injector coil that's never been changed since I've owned it. This is my 3rd year owning this vehicle. I replaced the plugs, but I didn't replace anything else. Pretty much been driving it as is. I did replace the water pump, like I said, but that was pretty much the only thing I've done, plugs and water pump. So for the most part, people give these vehicles a bad name, but you keep the oil changed and you keep an eye on things and the temperature, these things will run forever. So anyway, so I want you to go ahead and look out for some upcoming series on I guess DIY dad stuff. Pretty much, I'm not a professional. I am not here to show you how to do things. I'm just here to show you what I am doing and how I am doing it. So again, if you like the videos, I would appreciate a like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. You'll see at the end of the video here a link for that. That pretty much wraps it up. Again, thanks for watching, Land Rover fans, and we'll see you next time. Kids coming home from school right now, so. Yeah, great. That boy up there. There we go. Nice and straight. Good. Fucking hell. My camera's gonna fall a million times because I don't have a tripod that's worth a damn.